What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Matthew, and in this video I want to talk about why mechanics, auto technicians are quitting. They're not willing to do the work, even though this job, in my opinion, being a mechanic, being an auto technician, is one of the best skill man and woman can have. Why I'm saying that? Because if you look outside, if you go outside in the city, you will see even crappy, scary, not educated mechanics. They call themselves mechanics or technicians. They have work anywhere, anywhere. You just go to any backyard mechanic, any street, any creepy place, location, city. You see all of their mechanics are busy. What does it mean? It means there is not enough work. There is a lot of work. There's a lot of people. They are looking for people, someone like you, to pay them to fix their car, work on their car, and there are a lot of opportunities out there. But why we are in this situation right now? AllData just released this statement. They said in one of the email they sent it to me, they said 76,000 auto technician, collision, diesel, and gas engine or hybrid or EV technicians required next 10 years. Not 75,000 for 10 years. We need 75,000 or 76,000 auto technicians every year. Yes, every year to fill this place that most baby boomers, old technicians are quitting right now. Some of them getting retired, getting old, that's fine. But most of them, they're not happy with the situation. Things that's going on in this industry, with the payrolls, with the system of not having 401k, retirement plan, insurance, payment, payroll, flat rate. They don't make enough money. And this is true. Before jumping in that topic, let me tell you something. They are not willing to do the job. Unfortunately, the newcomers, I don't know how many new technicians we get every year. Maybe 10,000, maybe barely 20,000, not 76,000. That's way far, in my opinion. Maybe statistic did say something else, but in my opinion, 76,000 is far beyond reach. Yes, 76,000 is far beyond reach. But let's say 20,000 people are coming. Unfortunately, the experience they have, these baby boomers, these old technicians, old school mechanics, most of them, is not something transferable. You can't transfer it on a paper. You can't sign the certification and give it to the next generation. Hey, you got it. No. You need to work with them side by side so you can see what they are doing. I have a mechanic, he's an old school guy. He doesn't know scanner, he doesn't know wiring diagram, he doesn't know data, he doesn't know data pit, but he's an old school guy. Something like removing, replacing, some stuff like that. I can't handle it. I call him, hey, come and handle it. We had a job today. And one of my other mechanic, he went outside, he was trying to put the serpentine belt on one of the Toyota, it was a Honda Accord 4-cylinder, and this tensioner, freaking tensioner, sometimes it's very hard. And what he did, I sent him, the experienced guy. He went over there. He put the zip tie around the belt. He started 2 times and belt right away. Sit right on tensioner. Experience. The new guy, he was shocked. You need to sit down and learn with them. You need to watch them. But unfortunately, these kind of people are getting retired, getting old, getting tired from every BS that's going on in this industry. They move away, and the new people are coming, non-experienced. And the technology right now we have, if you are telling yourself, okay, because I saw a comment, somebody comment that he said electrician will stay, mechanic and technician will go, and they won't stay. Kind of true, yes. We are going toward this technology. All of these EV and hybrid cars, they use a lot of module and trickle things, but just you need to understand that all of the cars that we have, even engine gas, ice cars, even those cars, in order to make the car safer, in order to make the car more responsive, in order to make the car more reliable and more attractive to the customers out there, they use the same modules. Regardless if you drive EV or hybrid or gas engine, you're gonna have same computer things. For example, radar, ADAS system. Broad right now, any car company, they use ADAS. Doesn't matter if it's an EV or if it's a hybrid or if it's a gas engine or if it's a diesel. All of them, they use that. And one thing is very important, and you think, okay, I'm going to learn from here. No. In order to understand this new technology, you need to know the past technology. You need to understand how the engine works, and you need to understand how transmission works, because that's a base, that's a foundation. If you don't know that, you can't fix them. You're missing a half of the history, and this is the problem right now. As all data says, 76,000 auto technicians required every year for next 10 years to fulfill this gap. Who's gonna fill this gap? This new generation? They've never seen work, they've never touched cars, and they want to come with the ASC certification on their hand. All of us know the certification doesn't mean anything. I was the guy, I was thinking, okay, certification is a lot of stuff. Certification is a good thing. I need to go get certification. It's good things. I'm against certification chasing. I'm the guy. I want to get a good training. Yes, I'm on it. Any training, I'm on it. I pay for it. I don't care if they give me a certification or not. That's good to have it. You put it on the wall, but no one cares about your certification. And the last day, what's matter? Your training, your knowledge, how you execute the knowledge that you have on the car. Can you do that? This is very important. What we need to do, what's the solution for this problem? I think, in my opinion, a couple of things can happen. Their presence are declining because of a lot of stuff, a lot of fact causing that. It's not just the payroll, it's not just the 401k and retirement plan. It's their age, physics, because being a technician require, heavy lifting and being able to do heavy tasks. And they're getting old. They are in a retirement age. We need to understand that. But one thing we should do that. We need them in this industry to mentor other young generation. This is very important. We need to learn from their experience, not by making them work in the those older age. We can make them become a teacher, instructor. But I know this new generation, Gen Z, they're tech savvy. They know computer better. Unfortunately, the old school people, they're not willing to learn. They can't learn. They can't handle it. They can't grab and understand the technology, the wiring and software and programming and stuff. And these young generation, they can understand this part of the problem, and others, they can teach them the old school method of fixing cars, and they can make really good auto technician for the future. This is one of the things it's required. It's essential for this country to keep going. But unfortunately, we need to solve the payroll problem, flat rate problem, retirement problem, insurance, vacation, benefits, and stuff. This is very sophisticated, very, very complex subject. But I know if we get united, we can get together, we can solve this, we can understand the problems, we can understand the pros and cons and what we need to do, because all of us play roles in this industry. Me, you're watching right now. I don't know if you're a technician, or if you want to become a technician, or if you want to become, if you want to retire, if you're old and you've been technician for many years, 30 years, 20 years. I've seen a lot of comments from people that, oh, I've been 20 years GM technician or Ford technician or this technician. These people have many, many years of experience. They can become a good mentor. They can make good money. They can have a good retirement plan if someone take care of them. But unfortunately, if we let them go, we're gonna have this big gap with this Gen Z, with new technicians. They understand a lot of technology is very good, but they don't understand the concept. They don't understand the fundamental. They don't understand the previous generation and how this engine and cars came to this day, and this gonna cause a problem because they don't have experience. This is very important, and we can talk about it hours and hours. I think I'm gonna post more video about this, and I want to be a voice. And if you want to be a voice, if you want to say something, I would love to hear from you in the comment. Just write down in the comment your opinion. Your what do you think about the situation, about this 76,000 new technicians required for next 10 years to fill this gap, and the people they are leaving and the people they are joining this industry, and the problems they're gonna face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and I see 2% of the people, they watch my video. Just subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. You can be against me, you can be beside me, you can understand me. You don't need to be agree with me at all. Thank you so much. Have a great day.